Here is a trade recap of my trade on Friday, January 9th. It's going to be a break-even trade. So pretty much this is the short setup that I took. And if I go in replay mode, we can go back and see what I actually took and saw. So going into market open, this would have been my minor sell side liquidity down here. Minor sell side. This is previous day low, which was the target that I was looking for. We had our first presented fair value gap and minor buy side liquidity up here with this SIBI that I was looking to be entered for some type of shorts, and this is consequent encroachment. So morning goes on. Obviously, I'm not going to enter my trade until 9:50, and I see that we take buy side liquidity, and now all of a sudden we have this sharp move down at 9:48, and it also causes a change in stated delivery right here. So as you can see, bullish structure right here, changes state with this fair value gap that is bearish. So this was my entry short right here. Gonna wait for it to get retraced into. Stop loss at this high, and my take profit at previous day low. So as we can see right now, my confluences are a change in stated delivery, a fair value gap, which both of these happened on NQ and ES. And then also we have this first presented fair value gap that I'm going to be looking to get inverse basically. We also took buy side liquidity and only tapped into the lower quadrant of this fair value gap up here. And we have our consolidation. Let's go into it a little bit more. So this is our consolidation. This right here is going to be our manipulation. And basically what I'm looking for here is our distribution down. So our AMD model, which was another reason why I took the trade. And then also now we are inside of 9:50 macro time, which is another reason why I entered. And once I saw that we inversed this fair value gap that we made inside macro time, I was more confident. So right here, we inverse this little fair value gap. Market's being a little choppy here. So once I noticed that it was this choppy, I didn't want to be in too risky anymore. So as you can see, I moved my stop loss to break even after there are 3 confluences. So there's this fair value gap that we just created. There is the first presented fair value gap that we have to inverse. And then also this wick that we have to inverse. So now I can move my stops to break even. And if I wanted to take partials, I could have taken it off at minor, but I've been just trying to hold more. And basically, you could see we were 20 points away from take profit, move to break even. So break even day. Overall, this model wasn't bad. I would take the setup again. There's nothing I would do differently in this trade. Other than that, I traded this live in my Discord. All you have to do is comment Discord in the bio, and I can send you the link to the free Discord.